previous documentary I made about cinema, The Story of Film, has lots of women directors in it. But as we edited, I realized we were leaving a lot of stuff out. When I traveled to publicize that film, I went to many countries, and each country I went to, I asked the people there, who are your great female filmmakers? And I realized there's a whole world, a whole legacy, a whole tradition of great female directors who are not in the conversation, and that had to change.
There aren't nearly enough women filmmakers. There never has been. The film industry is sexist by omission.
I had heard of most of these female filmmakers before, but maybe seen just a few of their films. For example, the great Japanese director, Kinyo Tanaka, I'd seen one of her films and she made 6. In Romania, there was a filmmaker called Malvina Urceanu. I hadn't even heard of her. And guess what? Her films are great. So what you do, you feel two contrary emotions. You feel the joy at discovering new cinema and the anger at the injustice that these people have been left out of the official histories of cinema. And the combination of joy and anger is quite exciting. It's like rocket fuel. It really forces you to go and try and do something. I considered Pilar Miró and other filmmakers from Spain, but I decided to go particularly with Ana Mariscal because her career is so interesting. You know, a great movie star, intellectually very interested in mathematics, for example, and then turned herself into a filmmaker. I think that sometimes if you focus on one filmmaker and talk about them a bit more, it helps to get, gives your argument some weight. And so hopefully that's the case here. I mean, there should be great books about Ana Mariscal. There should be retrospectives of her directing. And I think it's a real shame that they're not. This Women Make Film project is almost like, now that there's a revolution in film industry, let's not forget whose shoulders on which we're standing. So this film is often about where we have come from.
Feel free to be angry because some of these great films have been overlooked. But feel free to be delighted at the medium of film and at the women on whose shoulders we stand.